So this is raw, uncut me, because I'm running a little late, and the camping conversion is taking longer than it should be. So I hope you're interested in wiring, because that's what we're going to talk about here. Let's start in the front. Now, in place of the standard 60-ish amp hour battery, we fitted a 95 amp hour battery laid flat. Please check if you're allowed to do that. We can do that with this one, which then obviously runs to the inside. On the inside here, which is hard to see, but that's why we have little clips showing how I made it, we have a complete auxiliary wiring loom, because you don't really want to be messing with 40-year-old electronics, plus the wires in the car are made for a specific amount of current and you don't want to steal too much off of them. So we opted for a completely fresh fuse box as well as 4 little relays, and all of that can be completely shut off with this. The way it works is, as soon as you remove this, the entire car is dead. Then you plug this in, and the car comes alive. Now, if you then put the key in the ignition, all the auxiliary stuff starts working. So you can then use a little switch down here to power the handy-dandy USB plugs and the 12-volt plugs, as well as the CB radio, which we have down here. You can then also use the lights. Another thing that we did is we completely redid the instruments in the instrument cluster in the middle, because those were 40-year-old and not really accurate anymore. So we rewired those in the auxiliary wiring loom, which now makes them perfectly accurate, and luckily enough, video makes them almost to the same look as the originals were. And also, as soon as you power the vehicle through the main switch, this thing starts working. And did I forget anything? Oh yeah, we put another light in the interior. Right there. Which is wired to this. And we also have a handy-dandy little map light, so that we can read maps, because we're not going to use our phone on this trip. And I think that's it. Any questions? Leave them below. We'll answer them, but this is all you get for now. Bye-bye. By the way, since you haven't picked up on that, we are also doing a fundraiser for Australia. Now, these guys still have a lot of issues, although the main crazy headlines are gone now. So please check it out. Link is below. And thank you. Thank you to all those people that already donated. We really appreciate it.